Today, I get to test one of the gadget na gustong-gusto ko i-try out. And it's called the GoPro Hero 12. This is the black variant. And I really am excited to know kung gaano kaganda to for outdoor vlogging. Lalo na sa mga sports and other activities no, na we are doing. Lalo na if you have a family. This is probably one of my recommended na action camera that you can bring along anytime around. Hindi mo kailangan hawakan smartphone mo na ganun kabigat. No? This has a lot of attachment na I'll be linking on the description box kung saan nyo pwede tingnan. And together with this one is a micro SD card from Team Group and a action cam grip from Seymour. Tara, simulan natin. So, this is how it looks like, itong GoPro Hero 12. So, kita natin, there's a screen dito sa harap. And of course, this is the camera lens. Sa ilalim, no, pwede mo ilabas to para pwede natin i-mount sa mga action camera grip like this one from Seymour. And of course, dito on this side, you have your power button. And of course, this is the record or shutter button. At the back, you have your screen, a touch screen. And dito, pwede natin i-eject to para makita natin yung battery, okay, which is pwede mong itanggal, no? Kung meron kayong spare battery, it'd be nice para on the go, marami kayong bala, no? So, and at the same time, nandito ang kanyang charging port na USB Type-C or you can data transfer din. Fast data transfer, no? Directly to your PC kung nakakabit dito sa ano. Hindi mo na kailangan ng card reader dahil siya man nakabit. And andito ang slot ng micro SD card slot natin, no? Which nilagyan natin ng Team Group na 256 gig na storage card. And this one has a 4K na capability, recording capability, no? So, saktong-sakto para sa ating GoPro Hero 12. So, balik lang natin, no? All you need to do is just insert it like this. Ganun lang. And si battery, ganun din. Insert mo lang. Yeah, so, outright, pwede mo na ibato to sa swimming pool, no? Kung gusto mo samahan sa mag-swimming. And waterproof na siya, no? Okay, so let's just press power button. Boot up natin. Ayan, pakita na ganito mag-boot up. So, I'll just quickly run you through some of the different functions niya, no? So, swiping down, you have all of these functions na pwede mong galawin. So, swiping over to this side, you see yung storage card mo. You can manage your SD card, format, and everything. Just as single tap, no? So, siyempre, ayaw natin i-delete, no? So, nandiyan pa yung mga data natin. Pwede ka mag-set up ng cloud, no? You can control your voice control, okay? Pwede mong i-turn on and off yung beep niya. Ito is quick capture, okay? Then, you can lock your screen lock. Then, of course, andito ang front screen option. Pwede mong kalikutin, no? Should you need it. Then, of course, orientation locking, no? Then, pwede mo laruin yung lens mo, no? You can use your max lens, okay, na 2.0 on or off. Then, moving on to this side, pwede ka mag-pair ng device, no? Like some of the Bluetooth devices na compatible kay GoPro, no? Meron ka rin mga pro levels na control dito na kung gusto mo kalikutin. And some of the preferences that you might want to play around first before you start using this stuff. So much for the basic settings. So pag swipe mo over from this side, ano lang siya, scroll lang siya, video, time-lapse, or yung isa is just simply photo, no? So, siyempre naka-video mode tayo, no? So, you can play all dito sa ilalim. So, pagdating naman sa video, you can check it here. Ang dami mong pwede mong kalikuti dito, no? Standard HDR or you just want to shoot a log. Okay, so mga aspect ratio dito, ilan ang resolution ng gusto mo. Okay, up to 5.3K pa nga kung gusto nyo. Frame rates, okay, you can put to 4K 30, 4K 60, depende sa iyo. Wide lens, yeah, mga lens na pwede mong kalikutin, no? Tapos pwede mo i-turn on and off yung hyper boost niya, no? Hyper smooth pala. Okay, so there's a lot of other settings na pwede mong kalikutin din dito, should you like it. Sa mga mas pro user, no? It would be very nice. Ito yung shortcut ng hyper smooth, no? Kung gusto mo sobrang smooth ang yung video, nandiyan na nakatago lang, no? And so, those are the basic settings na you'll be expecting na pwede mo laruin dito sa iyong GoPro Hero 12. So I did shoot some videos under different condition and shooting it together with the team group na micro SD card. No? And one thing na gustong-gusto ko dito sa team group na micro SD card dito is that sobrang bilis niya mag-transfer. No? Transferring to and from my laptop, ang bilis niya. No? It gives me a fast read speed and transfer speed dahil I need it. No? So kailangan ko mag-transfer siya na mabilis para ma-upload natin agad sa social media natin, no? Which this one was able to deliver. I just want to share you some of the videos na na-capture natin dito sa GoPro Hero natin. No? And most of the videos na nakuha natin are quite smooth. All of them are 4K and 30 and shooting under outdoor condition, indoor condition, low light condition, and night mode. And pati binato rin natin siya sa swimming pool to see kung magsa-survive siya, no, under the pool. And, well, it did. So, here are some of the videos na gusto ko i-share sa inyo. Check it out. So guys, right now we're holding the GoPro Hero and we're trying to vlog just using our bare hand and just a action camera holder from Seymour. You can see that it's pretty stable and shooting at 4K and 30. And this is how it looks like when I turn the camera around. It's pretty stable. Just looking there, taking a breathtaking view here. Saying hello to the cats. This is how it looks like when you're vlogging during the afternoon. It looks pretty stable and the color is really nice. Just pan our shell around. There you go. How about let's try it indoors? Okay, so taking the camera a little bit further on indoor low light situation, this is what you'll be seeing, and I can say it's pretty clear based on what I see. And turning the camera around towards myself, this is what you'll be seeing. It's pretty nice and pretty stable. I'm pretty happy with the result. And just walking around, checking the stability of the video at 4K and 30, it's pretty good. So yeah, indoor low light is also good. The GoPro Hero 12 is definitely a performer, especially when you travel. This is probably the camera that you should be spending your money on if you love to travel, you want to go swimming, and yeah, other outdoors activities. This is definitely the one for you, the GoPro Hero 12. So we're inside the mall. You can see that you can always place your tripod on any surface like this and just angle it correctly. There. It's very easy to use. And yeah, love the way it is. Look at this tree. Just look at it. Just walking. This is how it looks like when you're vlogging, when you're walking inside the mall. This is what you see. Okay, for the final test, the night video here at the Pitan Arcade. Check all the Christmas lights over here. See how it goes with the GoPro Hero 12. So yun guys, nakita nyo na yung ganda nitong action camera ni GoPro Hero 12. One of the good things dito sa kanya is sobrang gaan nito. Pwede mo i-attach sa inyong shoulder bag, pwede mo i-attach sa inyong helmet, and probably just anywhere na gusto nyo i-attach, no? Sa inyong bike, yung motor, sa inyong kotse, or just probably anywhere that you can imagine. And another thing is that yung kanyang battery life is not so bad. But I would highly suggest na you should buy a spare na battery if you're going for long adventures. And yung nilagay natin dito na team group na micro SD card, walang palya, no? For twice na puno due to all of the activities na sinut ko dito. And lahat yon ang bilis mag-transfer, papunta and pabalik sa aking laptop, no? Which is definitely something that you should consider if you're looking for a good card, no, for your mga action camera, pati mga smartphone ninyo. Team Group is one of my recommended na storage that you can buy. And of course, itong gustong-gusto ko, no, kay Seymour action camera grip, na pwede mo pa extend ng konti, just like this one. Yun, di ba? So, let's just say wala kang kaibigan na gustong maghawak para sa iyo. All you need to do is just put it on any flat surface, just record it away, and look at the yung front camera dito sa harap, which is quite reliable, if you ask me. Kung ano nakita mo sa likod is exactly the same na nakikita mo sa harap. Yun ang gustong-gusto ko dito sa action camera nito ni GoPro. Now, you can hold it like this one, ganito. Or pwede mo yung angle na depende sa gusto mo, no? Ganito, di ba? So, it depende sa usage mo. So guys, kung interested kayo malaman kung saan nyo pwede mabili itong GoPro Hero 12, pati itong mga accessories na ginamit natin, I'll be linking everything on the description box below. And of course, if you like this video, don't forget to share it to your friends. And of course, a sub to this channel would definitely be action-packed. I'll see you soon. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.